Hello, Account Fake here, back with another coding video. Right, this is what I'm doing. Live stream. Um, so I kind of have a sore throat right now. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I might as well do it because I really wanted to do this for a while now, and yeah, I really wanted to make a Unity coding thing regarding graph theory and such. So right now I'm just gonna get things started. Whoops, not that. I don't want to do that. I want to create a folder. This one will be these scripts. We're gonna definitely need some prefabs. Folder for the materials and such. Of course, these are the normal standard things you need to do when you start a new thing. All right, so what is the first thing that I will need to do? Okay, it's been a while since I've done coding, but I guess we might as well start with the camera movement script, and it's going to load, and I'm going to open it up in Visual Studio. All right. Once again, I'm sorry that I might sound a little strange. It's because my voice is not feeling very well. Yeah, I have a sore throat. You don't need this. Yeah. All right. So this should be a late update because this is the camera. Basically, the idea is we want to be able to have a public static boolean. Should it be a static one? Static boolean called MoveCam, and by default this will be set to true. However, I'm wondering if I should make this a public or just a static or just a public. I'll make a public. By default, if MoveCam is false, then that means we will not be able to move the cam. That's very important. So that's going to be right here. If MoveCam equals to false, then we'll just return because we won't be doing any moving. Yeah, jumped into the coding right away. So now what we need to do is I'm going to have a private vector 3 because this is going to be a 3D thing. Private vector 3 called target position. And well, we're not going to have any set value for it right now. All right. And with that, well, what am I thinking? Yeah, I'm trying to think right now. What else do I technically need to do this? Technically, yeah, we need I guess I'll make a private vector 2 called rotation. Because yeah, this is how I'm going to do the pitch and yaw. Okay, so I guess I might as well start off like this. Trying to think. Yeah, I'm seriously like a little confused. Okay, so vector. I guess we can start off with rotation is set equal to vector 2.0, just so we target position is equal to vector 3. Come on, vector 3.0, such that they start off as vectors with 0 components. All right. And at the bottom here, I might as well do it here. So this will be a private void, and this one will be rotate camera. And within this, what it will do is, oh, hello, hello. So yeah, hello Exocraft. So what this will do is whenever we move the mouse, we want it to actually move in the direction. Now, I'm not sure if I should have an option. Should it? Okay. Maybe I should. I wonder if I should make a script dedicated just to settings, like main overall settings for things, because that actually might be a little helpful. But because most likely people may want to, for example, invert cam. That might be something that people might want to do. So I'm wondering if I should make a script for that. I might as well do it. There's nothing wrong with that. So these will be player settings like that. Go ahead and open it up when we're done. Come on, open up. Don't need any of these system data collections stuff. Player settings, yeah, all this. Oh yeah, void start. I guess this one will have to be if there is a saved file. Retrieve players settings, else set it to default. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. But we don't need to know. We don't need these comments. Now, for the most part, I don't believe we need the void updates either. I have a question. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Here, we'll do a public. Okay, maybe this should definitely be a class that is easily accessible to all classes. Should this be a public static class? I wonder. Maybe it should be a public static class. All right. Actually, nah, I won't make it a static. What? So, I mean, I don't really know how to pronounce that. Do you know how to animate a character in Unity? I don't know how to animate a character in Unity, but I do know how to animate a character in Blender. You have to, if anything, in Blender, you need to. Oh right, it's not the old interface. In Blender, you have to kind of, first off, you need to set up a rig. Right now, I don't have a rig, and that's gonna take forever if I try to do that. But yeah, you need to set up a rig, then you have to animate it. I'm not really good at explaining this because right now, if I were to actually go through the entire process of animating and rigging and modeling, it would actually take way too long. I would also have to do a bunch of editing to the normals. I mean, or editing to the, what is it, vertex painting. Yeah, I can't really do it right now because I'm actually more focusing on this. But no, I don't believe there's a way. I don't really know any way as of now to be able to animate a character in Unity. I only know how to do it from import it from from Blender and then do it stuff. Okay. Okay, I guess public static. Okay, I only know how to make a model. Oh, do you know how to rig? if you know, because in order to animate a character, you need to give them a rig. You need to give them a skeleton because, like, yeah, if they don't have a skeleton, you can't actually move the person. I mean, the model. What is it? Am I doing now? All right, public static invert camera. Why not? This one by default will be set to false. Oh, public static boolean. That's important. I guess another one. What's another one that I should do? Public static. I only made a model. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, you need to actually add bones to it in order to, because yeah, you need to actually put bones on the guy. Let me open up Blender again. Might as well show you. All right, so if we were to, where is it, armature, and make a single bone, as you can see, I can't really see the bone because, where is it? Is it, I don't think I made that bones. Where's the bones? They're supposed to be visible. Viewport display. Okay, well, I don't know how to do Blender anymore. Ever since this update, where is it? Where is it? Okay, come on, where is it? Bone groups, pose, motion paths, viewport display in front. There you go. So, imagine I want to, if I was to make a bone, and then I do this, Shift Control Alt C. Oh, Control P. Control parent with automatic weights, and if I was to, am I in, what? Oh, I'm in pose mode. Okay, there you go. This is technically a bone, and I can actually add keyframes to it. So let's say I want it to start here, and after like 100 frames or whatever, I want to move it here and rotate it as well. Location, location scale. I guess whatever. Sure, we'll do like that. Or I messed it up. Location rotation. Why not? We'll just set it back to the position here. Location rotation. Things like this. So as you can see, yeah, it's a very slow animation, but yeah, that's a basic idea. You need to actually give this, you have to give the model a rig. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't really need it. Do we really need this? Okay, I'm thinking I don't need this. I might as well just put it in the script. So player settings, I'll get rid of you. Okay, so here I'll make a public boolean called invert cam, which will be set to false. So I guess I might not need that then. So if invert cam is equal to false, then we'll just have normal. Else, if I might as well do this, invert cam is equal to true, then we'll do something else. And hello Unity, you're doing something. All right, so what is it that I need to do? So, geez. I guess I also might as well also do this. Transform.position that is set equal to the start position, which 3.0 might as well. Transform.rotation equal to quaternion.identity. Here we go. Make it start at the origin and have it with an identical width. whatever this quaternion is. It's a quaternion.identity. I forgot what exactly the components of the quaternion identity. All I know is it starts off like no, it faces in a normal direction. Okay, it's hard to quaternions are hard to deal with. All right. Anyway, if invert cam. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is should I have there be also a target rotation? Because that would be very interesting. I guess I might as well target rot is equal to vector 2 dot. Actually, nah, I think that would feel a little weird if I'm thinking about it. It would feel a little weird to have a little bit of a delay when moving the mouse and such. So I guess I'll keep it without that. So rotation. Okay, if rotation dot x is greater than, I don't remember how to do this very well. It's been a while since I've coded, and it's especially been a very long time since I've coded a camera. But if anything, we need to do input.get mouse. No, input.get axis raw of, what was it called? Okay, I need to check. Assets, edit, file. Where is it? Project settings, is it? Project setting. I think it's here. Input. There we go. Axis, mouse X and mouse Y. There we go. So mouse. What is it? Mouse X. Okay, mouse X. Okay, I'll do it like this. If input. Wait, what does this do again? It's no smoothing. Okay, whatever. This is what we're going to do. If input is not equal to 0, then what we do is we take rotation, then plus dot x, I believe, plus dot x plus equals mouse, whatever, input dot get axis raw mouse x. I believe that should do it. And then we also have if input get axis raw mouse y. I forgot I need to put this in quotation marks because this is a string that's not equal to 0. We'll do the same exact thing, except we have to change it with mouse y. So mouse y, and that's not the name of the axis, but okay, mouse y. I'm pretty sure this is 1. I might as well make this a public variable just to make sure. Yeah, okay. So I'll do it on the main camera. I'll put it onto the main camera. Where is it? Is it here? No, apparently it's not. Go on, get on there. Okay, so MoveCam set to true. Let's see if we. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, we didn't. Right, we didn't even put this into the relate update. Okay, that's why. So rotate camera. There we go. That's what I forgot to do. Rotate camera. I forgot to put it into the update. That's why. Okay, let's see. There you go. Now here's the thing. If this. Okay, hold on a second. Let me start this over again. Okay, so the axis is side to side. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so I guess what we have to do now is to remember that this needs to actually rotate the camera. So how do we do this? Okay, so we have the main camera. Let me look at the rotation. So if we rotate the X, that is actually supposed to be the Y. That's interesting enough. So how am I supposed to do this? Okay, so we'll do camera. I guess we'll do transform dot rotation is equal to quaternion dot. Where is it? Is it Euler angles? Euler angles, and then what we'll do is rotation dot y, rotation dot x, and this one would just be 0. Okay, fine. We'll do quaternion dot Euler. Okay, there we go. And now what we need to do is make a little bit of a check because we don't want the camera flipping all over the place and flying around. So if this one becomes the y, okay, so if rotation dot y is greater than or equal, I guess I would say greater than or equal to 180 degrees. You want to do is set the rotation dot y equal to 180. I believe that's what I want to do. Else if I might as well just make this an if. I have another question. My PC broke and doesn't work anymore, so I bought a new PC. It's 32-bit, and the old one was a 64-bit. I installed Unity is 32, and it says that it's not compatible. I have no idea about this. I am not very. I'm not sure. I don't actually know. I mean, I don't really know what it's not. I've actually never heard of this problem before. I'm not. Huh. I mean, have you found anyone else online who's had this problem? And what do you mean by did it literally just said it's not compatible? Rotation dot y must if rotation dot y is less than or negative 180, then we have to set this back to this. All right, now we have to do the same thing, but for the rotation dot x, which if the rotation dot x is greater than or equal to 360 degrees, we just set this back to 0f. If this is less than if rotation dot x, right, I need to make sure that this is x less than or equal to negative 360. We'll set this back to 0. All right, maybe this will be the one. I'm not sure if I did this right at all. I probably just messed up a ton of things, but who knows? If it works, then great on me. It looks like the controls are a bit inverted, and I can't really tell if I'm looking anywhere because there's nothing in the scene. Okay, let me put a cube just so I can actually tell if I'm moving around the camera. Wait a second, what? Where's the camera start off? Okay, let's set camera to 10. Oh, that's probably why. Let me just put that right there, and we'll use this to see if we can do anything with it. So, all right, so the y is inverted, my bad. So this needs to be minus, right? I have tried any solution. I installed anything to make it work, but it doesn't work with any new programs. Oh, right, we also need to make sure that there's a sensitivity. So this would be a public float. Rotate sensitivity. There we go. By default, I'll set that to 10. We just need to multiply everything by 10. So NF 10F. Wait, no, I'm smart. Just need to multiply this by my cams. What did I call it? What do I? Why? Cam sensitivity. Why not? Okay, so cam sensitivity, and again cam sensitivity multiplied by this. What am I doing? What am I doing? This could actually be very easily summed up by doing this. Cam sensitivity times this. What do you mean I can't do that? That's literally, okay, fine. Last time I checked, quaternions are technically a vector, so you could actually multiply them by a float, but okay, fine, I'll make it. Fine, just fine. Okay, let's see. That's more like it. Okay, there we go. Much more active. Yay, so we have the camera that we now have a camera that can rotate. And we kind of just need to copy paste the entire program. Actually, this one can literally go at the end, like here, all the way at the end, because it depends on whatever this case is. So this one, if there's no inverted cam, I might as well, oh, whoa, this one's way too high. Yeah, that's way too high. It should be only 360. So it's always important to say to put comments, because you'll always forget it. You'll always, whenever you come back to a project, yeah, this function rotates the camera. It's always important to put comments, because you'll often forget what you did, like a long time after, if you haven't touched the program in a while, it's good to at least leave some comments. So this one is if not using inverted camera, we'll check if the mouse was moved horizontally, set rotation add the movement, the magnitude, why not magnitude of the movement to, why not? And then I say if the rotation is greater than 360 degrees, set the rotation to 0 degrees. 0 deg. Why not? We'll do a deg, because deg. Yeah. And then if the rotation is less than might as well come back to my notation here a bit, is less than or equal to 360 degrees, set rotation to 0 degrees. All right. Oh wait, these are almost the same exact thing. So I can actually rotation.x, or rotation.x is less than or equal to negative 360 degree 360f. You can actually simplify that notation a bit, because yeah, there you go. or less than or equal to negative 360 degrees. There we go. Now we shorthanded we made our notation a bit shorter. Hopefully now people won't kill me. Okay. So now, yeah, checks if mouse was moved vertically. There you go. Subtracts magnitude of movement to rotation.y. All right, I don't really believe I can change this because as you can see, there are different values. All right, so if rotation is greater than or less than or equal to, wait a second, greater than or equal to, yeah, greater than or equal to 180 degrees, set rotation to 180. This is to prevent the player from looking upside down and whatnot. Yeah, okay, so if rotation is less than or equal to 180, wait a second. This is not right. No. This is supposed to be 90 degrees. I don't want the player to look all the way upside down. That's no. Yeah, yeah, good thing I caught that. Otherwise, you literally could look upside, you could literally turn your head all the way up around, and that's not exactly what I wanted. Set rotation to 90. There we go. There we go. Now we kind of, dear gosh, this is going to be quite a bit of a while. However, if we invert the cam, we just need to switch around the minus and plus, so there we go. Actually, invert camera, I'm not sure if does an inverted camera include the horizontal? I'm gonna go to Minecraft for reference. Never mind, okay. I'm not gonna log in on stream. But if it's always like this, then I might as well just put the horizontal aspect outside, because I'm just gonna put it outside for now. So oh my gosh, why? Go, we have to fix all this because all the stuff, might as well make it look a little bit more neat, because yeah, it's going to be pretty difficult to read this. Let me actually just copy paste the mouse Y code, because it's going to take a while to rewrite all the comments, but all we need to do is change this to a plus. All right, and with that, I believe we might have the camera control, the camera rotation. So let me go ahead and save here. Make sure. That is not good. Yeah, that's not good. I'm not supposed to be able to do that. Yeah, there's something wrong. Whoops, not that. Okay, let's go back to the scene and see what happens. So the scene, if it's I'm a little confused. All right, so what happened here? It has to be with this guy, these guys. Hold on, let me check. Okay, let's check this again and look at the Y. Ah, I see. I see. Wait, what? Wait a second. What? Wait, what? I guess I guess I know why now. I think I need to multiply the cam sensitivity to this because I think that is causing it to believe in other things. So wait, the rotation. Oh, wait a second. I think I know. Okay, yeah, I think there's. Yeah, I think I switched these two around. The Y is the one. The Y is technically the X, so I need to switch this with the Y, and yeah, this needs to be switched around. So let's go ahead and do that. Do it right here. Put it back. Put it right here. Um, Actually, I think that these might as well go at the very bottom at this because they're technically just copies of the. I would have to technically just copy the code twice, and making it long is gonna make things. It's just making code. It just makes code longer. So if I were to instead just remove this and then put it at the bottom here, it makes it look a lot more short and neat. So um, all right, then we'll do the X. This will have to be the X. Have to be the X, 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 and the X. There we go. I think that should be it. Oh wait, we need to get rid of this because it's just repeating code, unnecessary. And everything's already looking a little let's go here to this one will be the uh, vertical component, and this one will be the no, this one's the vertical component. This one is the horizontal component. This is just this one is just uh, rotation restrictions, and this one actually is sets the rotation of the camera. There we go. That's what that does. All right, let's go ahead and check. So, nope, something's still definitely wrong with this. Uh, okay, what is going on? Camera, what are you doing? You know what? You know what I should do? Instead of doing this, we'll just change the rotation here. If transform dot angles dot x, so Wait a second, we're missing. This one's supposed to be the Y. Go. That's what we're supposed. That's something we were missing. X is greater than 90 degrees. We'll set. We'll just have to do this because I don't really have a better way of doing it. Transform.rotation. 90F. Then this one will be transform.rotation. Euler angles dot y. And we kind of had to do this again, but for the y. I hope this will work. Y, except this one is going to be 360, or actually this one will be less than greater than or equal to, and transform.Euler angles dot y is less than or equal to negative 360 f. All right, perfect. And with this, we are just going to do transform.Euler angles dot x, and this one will set the y to 0f. There we go. Now we're just going to comment this out such that we know if this is actually working. So there you go. All right, let's see if we got the camera restriction. Okay, something's wrong. What? Okay, so I think why is the Z moving around? What? Okay. I don't know what's going on. I guess we might as well keep this as well because just in case, you never know. Okay, what is going on? What? Okay, there's something wrong with this code. I'm gonna comment that out. That's strange. Why doesn't this work? Or at least it should, but it's not. All right, let's take a look. So what? Okay, what? What? Main camera. So the Y should be restricted if I'm not mistaken. Wait. The Y. What? I thought the Y was what? Okay, so I mixed it up. It's the other way around. All right, that's great to know. I mixed them up. So this goes to the X. This goes to the X. No, not that one. This one. Let's try it now. Okay. I think it's working now. Okay. E is equal to. That is a very unsimple. How dare you? How dare you not simplify that expression? -1. All right, so I guess this code is completely useless. So yeah, we'll get rid of it. And with that, we've rotated we now know how to rotate the camera. Yay. All right, now we have to move the camera, which is harder than, I think it's harder than rotating the camera. MoveCamera. There we go. So obviously the first thing, I guess I might as well do as another precautionary thing, even though it's technically here. Okay, fine, I won't because it's just repeating code. MoveCamera. I guess we might as well have a public float cam speed. I am speed. I'll make it 5. And well, I want to move this using the WASD. That's at least how I would like to have it. So if input, yeah, okay, so the idea is that I want to, yeah, it says in the title, I want to make a shortest path solver, but I also want to be able to make any, I obviously like network programming is my weak point. It's all right, well, program, yeah, but either way, a lot of stuff in graph theory does technically revolve around, like, doesn't it technically revolve around programming to be able to solve, unless you want to take 5,000 years to by hand, which you can do if you want, but whatever. I mean, technically the shortest path solvers technically are used in a lot of stuff. Okay, so what is it I'm going to do? Right, we need to move the camera. If, okay, this one I think, no, not particle collision event. I don't need, I'm not using the Higgs boson here. I'm not using, not the Higgs boson. I'm not using the Higgs particle, what is it called again? Large Hadron Collider. There you go. Not using that. Not really. Well, I don't know. If anything, the shortest path solver is one that I think would use an algorithm that's stated in the description. I don't know how to say the person's name. It's in the description though. Do you know what a tree 3 is? I know what a tree is. A graph tree is. I don't know what a tree 3 is. I know what a, well, okay, so. Right. I still need to move the camera. Okay, so if input dot get, okay, I'm gonna look at my inputs just to make sure that there's not an input. Mouse F horizontal. A up down W. Okay. Do you watch? Do you? It's yeah. I don't know what tree 3 is though. It's a big number. I guess yeah. It's a big number. I don't actually know. So get axis input get axis. And then this one will be horizontal? Or is this vertical? Oh, it's vertical. Vertical, yeah. Vertical. Input get axis vertical is not equal to 0. Then what we want to do is move the character, move forward. Is this either a 0 or 1? Graham's number is essentially 0 to, wow. Graham's number is essentially 0 compared to 0 to tree 3. I don't actually know what that, I don't know what the function tree of 3 is, so yeah, I can't really tell. All right, so what is it doing? When we move forward, we want to move in the direction we are looking. So if we are looking for the direction that you care to play, you want to move in the direction. Hold on a second, the main camera doesn't look very well. You doing all right, bud? There you go. So why are you using quaternions to calculate the short? Hey, I need to move the camera. Captain Evan, I need to move the camera. I want to be able to move the camera so that I can build any graph, to build any possible graph. And then with that, I want to be able to use, once you have a graph built out in 3D, I want to be able for my program to solve for the shortest path between a selected vertex and another one. Well, technically, just the shortest path to all possible vertices on the graph, or unless I would like to actually have it select another vertex and then it will calculate the shortest path to that one, which I could do. But right now who are you talking to, Axecraft? I'm pretty sure he's talking to you, Evan. All right, so what is it that was doing next? So input. Let's actually close that out because it's kind of cramping up. Or yeah, exactly. He's talking to you, Captain Evan. All right, what do I need to do? I need to transform dot position. Wait, no, we need to put this in a target. So target position. Is there a point to this sake? No, I just really wanted to do this, and also I just really wanted to make this because I learned this recently in class. So yeah. Target position. You're about as smart as sake of flour. That's a sack of flour. That's not even how to properly say my name. Whatever. As a sake of flour. It's not a sake. It's not even sack. Funny how when I show up, nothing seems to get done. Shut up. Okay. Okay. Now I'm wondering if I should actually have. I'm trying to think. I really want the player to move forward in the direction it is facing. Like I guess I might as well do this. Until psi. Let me plug in something. All right, so I plugged in something. Open this up. So let's say we have let's say that the camera is going, let's say the rotation is, I'm terrible. Let's say the rotation is like this. If this is our angle, if this is the angle, I want the movement to also be like this. This is where I also want the displacement to be in. I want the displacement to be in the same, or the camera to move in the same direction that the player is moving. I don't want it to move like this and whatnot. This is what I want to do. Do you know what a double dot identity is? I don't really know what a double dot identity, but if it's, to me, it sounds like when you take the dot product of two vectors, it's basically results to something? I don't know. Okay, okay, please. Okay, there we go. I can help him. I can help Megatime. If anything, my typing is dead now. Rip. Okay, if anything, I believe that there is a vector that can actually help this. So transform dot forward. I believe that's what I believe this is the one that the function that I can use to literally get whatever the axis is. Okay, so target position is set equal to transform dot forward. Plus transform dot forward. We also need to do get input dot get axis. We'll do vertical. We multiply this by the cam speed. Then we also now need to actually change the trans. I guess for now we'll do it like this: transform dot position is equal to target position. We'll change this in. I'm going to change this in a bit so that it actually has a bit of a like an ease to it. Like you don't just do stuff. All right. I believe this is how I do it, but I'm not sure. Right, I forgot. I still need to actually call this function. So RotateCamera and MoveCamera function. Okay, there we go. Wait for that. You're not English, Axelcraft? Wow, I've not seen. Pretty sure that's Spanish. Whoa, 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 whoa! That's way too quick. Way too quick. Okay. Wait, there's already an easing to it. It's already easing. It's very interesting. Cam speed is way too high. Okay, let's set this to 1. Nope, I'm Mexican. All right. It's interesting to know. Okay, I'm not sure this is a little too fast. This looks a little too fast if you ask me. Let's put it at a quarter of the speed because something doesn't look right there. It looks a little too fast for my taste. Let me check something. All right. Just a little too fast for my taste. Have you seen my new video? What, you've uploaded? Since when did you upload? All right. I think there's something wrong with this. It's kind of not. Yeah, it's kind of going a little too fast. No matter how slow I let this be. It's the best video possible. I have never seen your video. Okay, why is it so fast? Jeez, why the heck is this so fast? I mean, I got it to do what I wanted to do, but it's so fast. Jeez, I should watch it right now. You know what? Let's actually do this. No, don't leave my live stream. I'm kidding. Right, I forgot. I still haven't implemented the side, moving to the side. The side-to-side motion, if anything, okay, the side-to-side motion will be a lot easier if input.get axis horizontal, it's not equal to 0. Count, you should watch it. Some odd reason it has to. All right, let me see. I'm not. Easy calculus and linear algebra. I don't know why I uploaded this. I'm gonna mute my. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'd call that easy myself. Um, I do not know what that is. I do not know what a lot of these are. But if anything, I see that are those tensors? Is that a tensor and a derivative with respect to? I also have a feeling I have a feeling I'm seeing integration by parts. I have a feeling I'm seeing it. But I don't know what it is. Okay, I don't know what it is. So yeah. I don't think people would consider that easy. Use Google Translator. Um, get position dot on the side to side. Huh. Plus equals transform dot left, right, yeah, times input dot get axis horizontal. I wonder if making this raw would actually make it better. Wait, hold on a second. Semicolon, can never forget that. Okay. Ugh, it's so ugly. Ugh, it's so ugly. Okay. It's not smooth, but whatever, it works. So then we multiply this by cam speed. We'll just, it's gonna end up slowing it down quite a bit, times cam speed. There we go. I think, because I don't like this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is the cam speed going faster? It should be going slower. What? I don't think that's how logic works. Am I putting the right variable? Is cam speed being changed? Well, oh, that's okay. That might explain it. Let me change this back to axis because I really like the easing. Why don't you just use a series of faces? Oh my gosh, what the heck happened? This is very okay. I like this type of easing. Though I have a feeling, for as much as I would like to do this, I think, nah, we'll keep it like this for now. I like this. Okay, I think this actually works. So this one moves camera forward in the direction it's facing. This is the wrong it's. Moves camera left to right. That's what it does. That's what this does. All right. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make this harder for myself. So, all right. So, so we'll do vector 3 dot lerp or slurp. What's slurp? Spherically. You know what? I'll do lerp. It takes in from the transform dot position. Right. We actually hold on a second. I need to do it like this. So this is equal to transfer that position, target position, then we pass in a time, which is time delta time multiplied by some factor, which I might as well, this might be cam speed actually. Let me change, let's do this, okay. I'm still moving. Okay. I think this is a little too slow. I'm going to bump this up to maybe 0.5. Like that. All right. Oh yeah, I have. Captain Evan, I have. It's pretty interesting, I have to say. I think, yeah, I might as well move a cam speed. Or I'm probably should, what I should do is do an easing, like public float cam ease. And I'll set this to 7.5 like this. So well then instead we'll have this multiplied by cam ease. There we go. Maybe that'll fix things a bit. Cam speed, we'll make this small. All right, I think it's still, maybe let's try 1. Let's try 10. I think that's more like it. Count. Have you seen? Yes, I have seen his spiral video. Did you not hear me? Yes, I have. Yes. Do you still hear me? Okay, so I think that, okay, then this one sets the position, eases the camera towards the target position. Okay, I'm surprised I was able to do this. I swear I have not touched coding in a while. All right, sure. I'll take it. 10. All right, and with that, wait, this needs to be set to 10. Calm down with this spam. I'm gonna mute you. No, I'm kidding. All right, so yeah, I did it. What am I gonna do now? Okay, I finally got the movement of the camera. So the movement of the camera is actually pretty smooth, if you ask me. All right, I probably should have a button for up and down, because it's kind of a little annoying if you ask me that it doesn't have. There's a vertical, it's horizontal and vertical. What's this? What? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add a new input. Let me increase this a bit because so this will be 20. And this one will be not that. This one will be fly, not fly up. Actually, we don't need the last one. We just 19. Fly vertical. Let's do that. It's the verismal that you're not very close to finishing this. Rather, Rob, the project, I must admit, I don't know how to say that, considering it's just for fun, but I suppose it's my personal, as a president, it's either thing of, what the heck are you saying? Okay. Jeez. Okay, so the positive button, EQ. Here we go. All right, so the last thing I want to do is to fly up. So if, all right, moves camera directly up or down, left or right. So input get axis fly vertical does not equal to 0, then we'll do this. Target position dot up dot fly vertical times cam speed. So I believe that that should take care of that. Let me make this, no, where is it? There we go, inputs. No, stop. Okay, input. Please. All right, there you go. All right, there we go. Let's see. Yay, it works. Yes, I'm happy. So basically, it's very fun. It's just moving around a cube, but it's very fun. All right, so with that, we have finally done stuff. We finally moved the camera. Probably should have called this scene something else other than sample. I think I'm going to call it graph scene. Why not? All right, so with this, now we need to, what is it then? What's the next thing? Okay, I guess we're going to be modeling things now. Also observe that, okay, I'm going to go, I'm working on something very different about circle inversion on observed electrons and seeing if I can extend their wave function to an anisotropic generality. Also, it's observed that their quantum superpositional spin in the matter with quaternions and seeing its helix inverted spin with respect to its. Why are you talking? Okay. Bye, Captain Evan. This is a very interesting chat, I would have to say. I have no idea what Captain Evan said. All I understood was quantum superpositional spin. That's the only thing I understood. Okay. What am I going to do now? All right, I was going to model stuff because we're going to Blender. Right, okay. And with this, I'm going to delete that. Also, might as well delete everything in the scene because we're not using that. And we're going to get a UV sphere. I forgot how, I don't remember how to do this stuff. I'm not feeling very well about, okay. You know what? I'll do this later. I don't feel like doing it right now. I'm not feeling, why? Captain Evan, -1. I'm not feeling very well. What am I gonna do? Okay, what do I want to do? So much I want to do, but at the same time, I feel I don't really know what to do. There's so much I need to do. I don't know what I can't. I don't know. I got that. Oh, how long is this vid? Right now, it's an hour and 20 minutes. About. I'm not sure if should I just end it off because I mean I got the camera done. Camera appears to be done. I mean there's no interactions. However, I got it done. I'm wondering if that's what if I should just end off the stream. It's already 2 p.m. for me. Let me see what I need to do if I. Uh, I'm going to be checking some things. I'll see if there's anything hey, I'm not sure if please keep going. I'm trying to see if there's any homework, if I have like any very important homework that needs to be done. So when is okay, sorry. I'm kind of just making sure I am doing stuff because I'm just checking stuff with people because I don't want to because I'm still a person. I have life. I have a life and I have to do stuff sometimes, but I guess right now I'm going to continue. Why are you crying? Let me see. What can I do though? It's a graph editor. I guess I could start up the scripts for the Vertex. All right, I guess I might as well do it like, okay, I'll make a script. This is for the Vertex, for a Vertex. And with that, let's go ahead and do this. So over here, we'll get rid of this. We don't need that. Like we ever usually never need them. All right, I'll keep the start. I believe I might need the start function. Then here we can get rid of this. We don't need to know that. Okay, come on. Please. Should like the video even though it's terrible. Which video? What do I do now? So first off, we have a public string called vname. Why not? And I'll just call this new vertex like that. The next, that it private. I don't know. I guess I'll have transform.position. That's a I guess one thing I could do is make this a public static cam move class and called script and void awake script equals this. I guess this might be something I might need to do. I don't think there's much else I can actually do to the vertex. I mean, I don't think there's really, yeah, I don't really think there's much else I can do with this. I guess things like color, but no, I don't think I really need to. Let me go ahead and make one for the edge. So and edge. Okay, so let's open. Okay, fine. Let's open this up. Scripts, graph, edge. There we go. Edge model behavior because it's going to go on an object. I think I'm pretty sure there's more I can do with an edge. So obviously I'll have a public string for a called the edge. I call it ename. It's called a new edge. All right. Then we'll have a public float called value, which by default I said that I'm just gonna make this 1f by default, and then a public float. Actually, we need a public vertex. Wait, a public vertex called P1, point 1, and public vertex points is equal to a new. It's supposed to be an array of vertexes because vertex array called vertices. Why not? Okay. How did it know the plural of vertex? Is this already? Psst, Jar. What? This is equal to a new. No. Stop. Stop. No. Okay. And with that, and click the little shut. No. Okay. Okay. Comment, share, and click the bell on my YouTube channel, not Captain Evans. Okay, I'm kidding. You can check him out if you want. If you want. Okay. Anybody said anything? Nobody said anything. I'm all alone from my groupmates. Okay. Banana. Okay. What am I? Okay. Point P1. This is going to be point 1, and yeah, public vertex P2. All right. So with that, you can make a vertex by connecting two vertices, whatever. Private. This will be a float, and this will be scale. The scale, what we need to do is to actually take the magnitude of the distance between vertex P1 and 2. This goes from P1 to P2. Oh, I also should have public boolean directional. By default, I set this to false, I guess. Private boolean directional false. So P1.transform game object.transform.position. Okay, P1.game object.transform.position. Okay, so the scale. All right, scale is equal to P1.transform.position plus, or no, P2.transform.position minus this. We have to get the magnitude of this, so we're gonna magnitude. There we go. And I'm unsure about how this is going to work. However, hold on a second. Can I just take a cube? Come here, cube. So if I was to extend the Z, all right, this is not optimized, but I believe it's the Z. So, and if we do, what we do is we set transform.scale local scale dot z is equal to scale. Okay, fine. Local scale is equal to a new vector 3. That is transform dot local scale dot x, and we pass a transform dot local scale dot y. We pass in scale for the z. All right, so with that, I think we have something. I might want to add a, whatever. So Axelcraft 91 makes music, so that's nice to know. We also need to make sure that transform dot parent is set equal to p1 dot transform. Now the direction this guy will face, how do I do that? Okay, so technically I need to get the direction based on angles. So the angle, however, I guess what we need to do is first check if P1 is equal to null or P2 is equal to null. We would like to return because this was a terrible thing. And this will be debug.log error. This will say an edge needs two vertices. There we go, that's what we'll say. Okay, so the scale is just some magnitude. We multiply that by okay, so here we'll do transform or vector 3 dot right. Forward? Yeah, vector 3 dot forward multiplied magnitude by no, stop. Okay, multiply that by the scale. Now here's the thing, we don't want to set all the other components to 0, so I'm going to add this by a vector 3 with components 1, 1, comma with 0. A vector 3. Here we go. This is important that we do first, because otherwise, because I really don't want the vectors to be added first, then to end up multiplying that by the scale, because yeah, that's completely different from what I wanted to do. So we do this first, then we add this. All right, so the transform to parent. All right, and the next thing, again, we need to figure out the rotation of this. How do I do this? How do I find, okay. So pitching, Okay, so to find, okay, theta horizontal. So we kind of, in a sense, need to get this. We need this guy, so we'll take this. You know what, I'll make this equal to a new vector. So a vector 3 called displacement. Okay, and this is equal to this. I messed that up. So displacement dot magnitude, we don't need that. Displacement dot magnitude. And then theta horizontal, this is supposed to be a float, theta horizontal, is equal to displacement dot x, actually math f dot arc dot a cosine okay, I need to get out the paint tool SciApp again because I am not having a very good time remembering this. Where did my pen go? Where did my pen go? Pen, where'd you go? There you are. All right, math time. Okay, or at least thinking time. All right, let's zoom in, make ourselves some axes. So here, here, and here. All right, so let's say we have, I only really need two axes. So I'll have let's just have a vector like this, and this will go here, all the way to that point, and we'll go here. So the one I'm looking for is this angle, which technically could actually be this angle, but whatever. This angle and this angle. These are the angles that I want. Okay. So I'm going to let this one be theta. I'll let this one be phi, whatever. So the angle, hold on a second. If this is the z hex, this is y. I'm terrible at writing. Z, there's x, there's y. All right. Right, rotation is a little weird in Unity. Okay, the Z one is the one I don't need to focus on. The X is, if this is a vector, let's call this vector, let's just call it V. So this is vector V. This component is the the vertical component. So this is V sub y in Unity. Well, in this case, it's V sub, in our case of math, right now it's V sub Z. I guess we might as well arrange this in Unity coordinate angles because okay, this is weird. Unity's coordinate system is weird. Look at Unity's coordinate system. the positive x is on the left side, and the positive y is, the positive y is normal. However, it should be the other way around. The x should actually be this way. Why are you using that? I don't care. That's the symbol I use for vectors. I don't care. If you want me to use tensor notation, fine. We can do v sub I, but I don't really care about it. This is the only notation I care about using for vectors. All right, so in this case, in here, so we have the y component. To be able to get phi, so phi has to be equal to angle between this. That's sine, inverse sine actually, inverse or arc sine or whatever, inverse sine of v sub y. I don't care. What is the better symbol then? What is the better symbol? Okay, so then theta. So theta, looking at this y, what? Is it just a line? But that's mean. How is it? I've never seen any other symbol for a vector. This is the only symbol I've seen. Okay, so this is the x component, y component, this is the z component. And this is actually technically the rotation, the r sub y, because math is weird. Okay. So the transform theta, I guess I might as well call it phi. So inverse sine of displacement dot y, because it's weird, rotation is equal to quaternion dot Euler, and we pass in our phi is going to be the y. It's going to be 0f. However, the x is going to be theta. So float theta is equal to math f dot a. I don't know if it's cosine or sine. Geez, this is a very interesting conversation you're having going on in Captain Evan. Okay, so y, z, I don't actually know. I don't even know if this is the theta. I know that theta is actually also going to be the sine of whatever. Okay, fine. It's going to be a sine of displacement and dot x with as in theta. I guess with that, I'm going to try and see if I can do something about this. So with that, Wow, this sphere is absolutely tiny. I'm going to make it a lot bigger. And let's give this a vertex. This is just a test. Give it a vertex. The name, I'll just call it A. I'll duplicate it, and this one will be vertex B. And we're going to put it in somewhere in 3D space. So in 3D space, we'll put it like this. And here we'll give this an edge. So P1 will be sphere, and P2 would be like this. We're not going to make it directional. And it didn't even. What? Okay. You failed an expression. You know what? I think maybe I should do it p2 dot game object. I think that's might as well game object. I think that's might as well what I should do. Keep going to the wrong thing. All right, and with that, and it's still not working. Captain Evan, if you want, music should be just so you can listen to the music. I'm pretty sure that's what you're supposed to do it for. I mean, sure, it's nice to apply music theory to. Sure, it's nice to listen to apply music theory to songs. However, there's more to music than that. It's not just that you don't just listen to music because of. I mean, you could listen to music because of music theory, but I think at this point, not many people actually listen to music to hear stuff to hear music theory. They listen to music because they enjoy it. That's whatever. All right, so what am I doing here? So I forgot to set the transform.position. Has to be set equal to vector3.0. I don't know why this is not working. I don't know why this is not working. The sphere. They'll make a likable song. Yeah. Yeah, there's a chance people will enjoy the song. What? Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Debug.log displacement plus is this displacement All right, we forgot to put this as a plus. We need to do this. Then here, what we need to do is debug.log theta plus comma plus phi plus comma plus other way around like this, and this one will be 0f. All right, let's see what this does, because I have no idea what's going on. Huh, that's strange. Huh. It's not able theta, and why are theta and phi 0? All right. That's strange. Why is it? What? What? Not even the position is being set. What is, okay, there's something wrong. Radians to degrees. I wonder if that's why. I don't know. Okay, this is weird. All right, so the position is being set. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, this is weird. What? There clearly is a value for the displacement of x. So what's going on? Okay, so displacement is set to this vector, and we know that it exists because of this. All right, I wonder why. It just, displacement.y. Why isn't this working? Okay, I'm going to move this up, and I'll see what happens. I'm just going to see what happens, because something's weird. Something weird's going on. And it's still not doing anything. What? Oh my, what? What? Okay. Displacement.x. Okay, is displacement.x plus comma space plus displacement dot y plus comma plus displacement dot z is displacement. This should be what I see. I should see something when I take a deep breath and forget all your anger. Okay, what the? Why? Please no. Please no. All right. Jeez. Okay, what is going on? I don't understand why this is not actually working. A sine of displacement dot x. This is the right function, right? This is the right function, right? I'm pretty sure this is the right one. Okay, mathf dot absolute value, the arc cosine, this is the arc sine. Arc sine displacement dot y divided by magnitude, right? Wait, really? So katoa. Let's see if this does anything. It's 2 p.m. in your, yes it is. It is 2 p.m. in my place. Ah, that's why. That's why. Okay, because the value is too large. Displacement.x, I believe. Displacement by y divided by displacement dot magnitude. That's why. Actually, we could just put scale because that's smaller. And we'll put this back to the bottom. In Mexico, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that it's that late for you. All right, so with that, I believe that should get things working. And it's the wrong direction. Okay. Theta, negative theta. Needs to be negative theta. All right, and I hope, never mind. Try Z. Maybe this will get the one. Don't worry, I sleep pretty late. Well, either way, that's the. Wait a second. Did I convert it to radians? Yeah, I did. This is awkward. Let's try negative x. Please stop dropping frames. I've been almost live streaming for 2 minutes. Yo, what the heck? Bro. Whoops. The angle's a bit wrong. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with that. Back to math. Okay, let's look about the math. Let's see what we did. Oh, the z is the forward. So yeah, I guess it actually should be the z. Negative z. And it's still not facing, it's just facing in the opposite directions. I also believe that my camera movement is a bit off. Rotate camera. Not rotate camera, I mean the move camera. So fly up, it's not transform dot up, it should be vector 3 dot up, because yeah, that's, there you go. That should take care of my little issue, because I'm trying to move up and down, and it's supposed to only move me directly up and down, regardless of the direction I'm looking. Okay, so with that, hey Captain Evan, you want to help me out here? I need a little bit of some help. How do I get the angle from here to here, from this sphere to this sphere? I mean, I'm not sure why it's not giving me the right one. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Wait a second. Hold on, wait a second. Oh, please don't tell me. But, I'm mad. Um, I'll just see what this does. I swear, if this function does exactly, if this function does exactly what I needed to do, I mean, it kind of did, though it's kind of off. The rotation's a bit off. At least in terms of the X. It's odd. Wait, hold a second. Hold on a second. Transform dot position is set to this. Okay, never mind, I don't know. Okay, I don't know how to use this function. Unity, look, rotation. Come on. No, I need. Look at position. Wait. I swear. Does it even do anything anymore? I highly doubt it does. How do I upload a video? I don't know. I know how to upload a video on a PC. Is that really, did it really, oh my god, I swear, did that actually just work? I really think it just worked. And just to make it look a little better, I'm going to actually add this by transform dot forward, multiply this by scale divided by 2. I believe that should move it forward. Never mind, that was not how I wanted it to be. Okay, if anything, I'm going to make a new model for that, and well, if anything, I don't need this anymore. Oh, whoa. I don't need that anymore. Oh, scale. So that's what that does. And TransformCamera is equal to this, and it's the position to this. Then yeah, we can get rid of this. Don't need this. I guess it's really just no color. Well, in a sense, this basically does actually cover what I wanted the thing to do. Now, what else can I do? Because technically, I'm gonna make these. All right. And with that, I honestly really think I should end it off. I honestly believe I should end off the stream because I kind of been streaming for, I only wanted to stream for like a short while. It's been like 2 hours. I got what I wanted to do. I'd finished kind of pretty much what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to move the camera, and I kind of was able to finish this stuff. I'm all right. I should probably add like something to make the player move faster for the movement. Public float. This will be run speed. This will be. I'll make it 2 times. And MoveCamera. Run speed. Okay. If input, right, do I have a run? Do I have a input for run? Actually, probably actually close this out. So if I have an input for run, is there one for? Okay, I guess then that gives me permission to add one for run. Fly vertical, this one is going to be instead, this is going to be run. And well, this is either going to be space, it's going to be nothing. All right, so space, why not? We'll make it spacebar. If input.get get button, or not get axis raw, why not? Or get axis, and we'll put this as for run doesn't equal to 0, then what we do is we take the target position and multiply that yes, Captain. Well, why did you changed your quantum alt? Okay. I don't even know what you're talking about. What? It's literally almost exactly the same thing. What do you mean? It looks almost exactly the same, except there's no bottom side to the arrow. Except it's half the arrow or whatever. It looks exactly this. Okay. Math. Okay. Target position. It looks exactly the same. What am I trying to do here? And we can do run speed times this. I guess that's what I'll do. Also connected. Whoa, 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 whoa. At least you uploaded something important. Target position. I'm not sure. The target, if I do the target position, times equals run speed. I'm not sure how to feel about that because it's rather not so good. Okay, whoa, way too fast. Okay, way too fast. Definitely way too fast. So we have to add this by target position multiplied by this. So that way we get a constant thing. Okay. Maybe this would be half. Instead, where is it? Inspector, and we'll make this half. All right, so my running is definitely not working. How would read file? What? Okay, Aster 13, I have no idea what you're saying. So, this is not working. Put.get access raw. Let's try this. Run. Okay, I'm wondering. With my current setup, I'm not sure how I was supposed to do cam speed. Okay. How can I do this? Okay, let's try this again. Instead of doing this, what we'll do a new vector3.ident. There you go. Vector3.1, and we'll see if no, this is going to be plus equals, and we'll see if this actually does anything we want it to do. All right. Yeah. So this is not actually what we wanted to do. Oh, so this should only affect the forward. That's actually rather interesting. It should only I'm only going to have it affect the forward direction. Or do I? I don't know. I'm thinking. So if we do this, You didn't need to copy and paste that, Captain Evan. Okay. We do this, and else. Okay, if this is equal to 0, then else. This is what I'm going to do. We have cam speed, and then we have run speed. There we go. That's how we'll do it. That looks right. Yeah, looks about right. We'll do the same thing, but instead do it like this. We'll copy paste this. All right, bye, Captain Evan. So if we take this and paste it here, the cam speed, then if we paste this here and we have run speed. So yeah, that works. Yeah, this basically does what I want it to do. I'm pretty sure it should. Right, I think, though I believe after this, I'm probably going to end things off because it's 3:14 for me. I've been doing this for quite a while. Run speed. Yeah, I think I'm going to end things off after I finish this. But let's test out our speed in. Yeah, that looks about right. If we increase this to 1, then we move a lot faster. Yeah, this does exactly what I wanted it to do. Wow, that's perfect. I know this might look a little weird. However, I am pretty sure that I just need to have something else. I need to actually make a different model for this edge such that it actually does connect it, because this is actually halfway between the two. It would actually be able to reach this. It's just that I need to move this exactly, come directly straight forward so that it would reach this one. So yeah, we'll do that in the next episode. I guess I might as well do the modeling off camera, or should I? I don't know. I don't know if I want to do it. Just do like modeling off camera. It's not really that important. So yeah, I really think I need to end things off now. So yeah, I need to do stuff. I probably have some homework to do. I'm I'm doing stuff. All right. Yeah. So with that, I'd like to say, yeah, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. I will be continuing this series, obviously. I'm just not sure when the next time I'll upload a video. However, if you would like to know when I might be live streaming, it would be best if you, it's always best if you, go to my Discord. The Discord is technically, the link to the Discord is in the description. Yeah, I guess I might as well go there. All right, so over here, if you're on the stream page, the Discord server is right here. Go ahead and click that, and yeah. So if you click that, you'll go ahead and you'll be able to, go see my Discord server. You'll be able to see. Before you go, do you have a question? I have a question. Do you remember me? I have to say, if I'm honest, not very well. No. Sorry, mate. I don't really remember you very well. Sorry, mate. But you try and refresh my memory, please. I feel really bad. I feel really bad. Can you refresh my memory? 2016. 2016. You had your logo in Minecraft. Yeah, my logo was in Minecraft in 2016, I believe. But uh, yeah, but be a little bit more specific because 2016 is a pretty big long year. Um, is did you what? Okay, Count. Do you? I think you almost forgot me. No, I did not, Captain Evan. You're all, yeah, Captain Evan. I remember you pretty well. All right, so Axel Craft. I, um, I'll see if I can have you. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find a comment from you. Um, sneeze. Okay. Um, I always commented on your. I always commented on your videos. Did you change your name? Did you change your name? I've. Did you change? What was? Did you have a? What was your? Because I might. Because yeah, I do remember some people who would consistently upload to. I mean, consistently comment on my videos. There's a few batch of people who did that. Are you serious? I'm pretty sure it's subscribed to me. Axel. I am pretty sure I know who you. I'm pretty sure I've seen. You're probably. Are you Noah? Noah. It's Noah something. Though had a different. And, okay. I actually. I had it. I don't recognize that YouTube. Axel. Huh. I don't remember that one. I don't remember. Uh, Axel Craft. Okay. I have to say I don't really know. If YouTube would let me invert, okay. If then how come I don't remember this name, but what videos have you commented on? What videos have you commented on? Because I don't, yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't really remember. Uh, it's the videos you've commented on like some redstone things I've done. Yes, he has 900 skills. Hard for him to remember them all. Yeah, I mean, unless you've been really active, like recent, and like, I can't. Yeah, sorry about that. Um, Minecraft. Yeah, it's a Minecraft video, but I mean, it's still not very. Let me go to my YouTube channel. It's a Minecraft thing. uh, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Stop being active. Oh, yeah, that might explain why I might not recognize you. Because I think the most people I remember a lot of people, but I mean, remember a handful of people, but the majority of people that I remember are the ones who've been active, like who kind of just, who literally sometimes, there have been some people like the Pro Show and Noah something have commented like first, and I forgot the people I was subscribed. Oh, well, I mean, sure, it's not always, it's pretty difficult to sometimes remember things. Let me go ahead and save. Might as well do that. So I'm revisiting my childhood YouTubers. Huh, it's nice to know. Might as well. I want to uninstall this, by the way. I'm too lazy to uninstall the Epic Games Launcher, and I'm just gonna log in off camera. Yes, Captain Evan. Of course, Captain Evan. I know that was a joke. I'm not. Okay, there are sometimes where I am. Okay, there are sometimes where I am a bit dense when it comes to jokes. Hold on a second. But yeah, so I have to admit but Axelcraft, what kind of what type of videos did you watch? Was it okay, I'm not sure if he's still here. I think I might as well just end the live. I guess I might as well end things off here. Yeah, I honestly think I honestly think I need to end off the live stream now. I'm just talking with people on chat. But yeah, I need to end things off now. So your old Minecraft stuff. So basically the redstone. So basically redstone. I'm trying to because I really would like to remember you. I really would like to remember you. Um, let's go ahead and what's up, Captain Evan? You should get on Skyblock. I would. I want to see your island. I'm pretty sure you can visit my island. Where videos? Okay, you know what? Let's go old. Back many years ago. Many years ago. I don't even know why I'm putting this on my live stream. Let's go to data added oldest. And let's see all the cringe stuff that you shall not see on my YouTube channel. Okay, this is 2015. I uploaded a lot. Okay, so Axelcraft, anything look remember? Oh, so by the time it was 2016, I was uploading Geometry Dash. Also did a bit. I did a bit of Redstone. Not that much because I was during this time my geometry dash was like doing a lot, was doing very well. So I mean, I would upload the every once in a while, just some showcase. Oh yeah, this project that I had was released, I believe last year or so, something like that. Yeah, most of the stuff I uploaded around 3 years ago was Geometry Dash. I still upload Geometry Dash, but I definitely have slowed down. I used to like Minecraft, especially in 2016. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here was the first time I tried doing a live. That's the first time I tried doing a live stream. All right, so yeah, around the 2016 ages, I was doing a huge bunch of Geometry Dash with every once in a while doing a Minecraft thing. Man, these were the times. I mean, look at these views. What? Nowadays I barely breach 100. I barely breach 50 views ever. Man, those are some times. But yeah, most of the stuff I uploaded around 2016. Okay, how do I don't even remember my. Uh, I do not know why I'm not really having a. I can't. Okay, I can't really log into Minecraft. But oh, so basically you would. So basically you are the type of person who would watch Redstone. Well, or mechanics for my worlds or maps. So well, yeah. If anything, I did quite a bit of Redstone back then. I still do Redstone today, just a bit. I mean, a bit every once in a while. I keep it reserved Redstone for more reserved for better or more important things because I think Redstone is more. Speaking of mechanics, when's the next episode coming out? GD Dynamics, I do not know. Also, count your. Shut up. Okay, I don't know. I can't log into Minecraft for some odd reason. Okay, anyway, but yeah, I still do Redstone. For example, I have the world's first. I've done the world's first 2x2 full flush and seamless Stargate door, and well, before that, it's I did more coding stuff, but I've also done a lot. I've done a lot of stuff since. I've done a lot of stuff since. But yeah, I really have to. I probably really have to end off the live stream now. So yeah, I mean, Axel Craft, if you want to talk, I can speak to you on Discord. So yeah, I guess I should end the golf now. So yeah, that's really about it for now. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.